In the heart of the 19th century, a literary revolution unfolded, heralding an era known as Romanticism. This movement, born from the ashes of the Enlightenment, sought to reconnect with nature, emotions, and the past. In the cobblestone streets of London, a young poet named John Keats walked, his heart filled with dreams and visions. He was a man of passion, a son of the Romantic age, and his words would echo through centuries. The world was in turmoil. The French Revolution had shaken Europe, and the Industrial Revolution was transforming societies. Amidst this chaos, the Romantics found solace in the beauty of the natural world and the depth of human emotion. Keats, along with his contemporaries, such as Percy Bysshe Shelley, Lord Byron, and William Wordsworth, sought to express the sublime, the mysterious, and the transcendent through their works. In the quiet evenings, Keats would sit beneath the ancient oak tree in Hampstead Heath, the moonlight casting eerie shadows on his face as he penned lines that would become immortal. Lines like, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever," resonated with readers, capturing the essence of the Romantic spirit. Yet, the life of a Romantic poet was not without its struggles. Keats, like many of his peers, faced poverty, criticism, and illness. Despite these hardships, he continued to write, his passion for poetry burning brighter than the fires of adversity. In the end, Keats' life was cut tragically short, but his legacy lived on. His poetry, along with that of his contemporaries, shaped literature for generations to come. The Romantic era, with its focus on emotion, nature, and the supernatural, left an indelible mark on the literary world. Today, we remember Keats and his fellow Romantics for their passion, their poetry, and their unwavering commitment to expressing the human spirit. They stood against the tide of industrialization and scientific rationalism, reminding us that beauty, love, and the power of the imagination are eternal. In the words of Keats himself, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness." And so, the Romantic era lives on, its legacy forever etched in the annals of literature.